Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Hey, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is something that every landlord out there should be thinking about: limited liability companies, or LLCs. Do you know why landlords need LLCs? Owning rental properties can be a great way to build wealth and create passive income. But being a landlord also comes with some risks. That's where LLCs come in. An LLC can help protect your personal assets from liability if something goes wrong with your rental property. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bizee. Bizee is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bizee is also given in the description box down below. Let's continue the video. What is an LLC? An LLC is a business structure that blends the flexibility of a sole proprietorship with the limited liability protection of a corporation. This means that your personal belongings, like your car or savings, are generally safe from lawsuits or claims if, for instance, a tenant gets hurt on your property or there's another business-related issue. Now, let's discuss the benefits of LLCs for landlords. There are several key advantages to using an LLC as a landlord. Here are some of the most important ones. Limited liability protection. As we mentioned earlier, this is the biggest benefit. If a tenant gets injured on your property and sues you, your personal assets are typically protected. Only the assets owned by the LLC are at risk. Pass-through taxation. LLCs are considered pass-through entities. This means the profits or losses of the LLC pass through to the owner's personal tax return, avoiding double taxation that can occur with corporations. Management flexibility. LLCs offer flexibility in how you manage your business. You can choose to be a single-member LLC, managing everything yourself, or you can have multiple members, sharing responsibilities and profits. Now, let me show you setting up an LLC with step-by-step guide. The process of setting up an LLC varies by state, but it's generally not overly complex. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Choose a name. Pick a name for your LLC that complies with your state's naming requirements. You can usually check your state's Secretary of State website for naming guidelines. File articles of organization. File the necessary paperwork with your state's business filing office. This document outlines the basic structure of your LLC, including its name and purpose. Create an operating agreement. This is an internal document that outlines how your LLC will be run, including how profits will be shared, voting rights, and management responsibilities. While not required in every state, having an operating agreement is highly recommended. By forming a legal business entity, you can minimize your liability and take advantage of potential tax savings as well. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Bizee, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Bizee provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Bizee is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Bizee is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Bizee is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, Bizee will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of America. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Bizee dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Bizee will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. While LLCs offer great benefits, there are a few things to keep in mind. Cost. There are fees associated with setting up and maintaining an LLC. These can include filing fees, annual reports, and registered agent services. Tax implications. While LLCs offer pass-through taxation, there may be self-employment taxes to consider. Not a substitute for insurance, an LLC doesn't replace landlord insurance. You'll still need proper coverage to protect yourself from unexpected events, such as damage to the property or tenant lawsuits unrelated to injuries. So, should you get an LLC as a landlord? It really depends on your specific circumstances. Here are some factors to consider. The number of rental properties you own. If you have a significant number of rental properties, then an LLC is a great option for increased liability protection. Your risk tolerance. If you're concerned about potential lawsuits or liability, then an LLC can provide peace of mind. Your business structure. If you plan on owning properties with other people, then an LLC can help define ownership rights and responsibilities. Your choice of business structure will depend on your specific situation and goals. Many choose to form an LLC because it offers the best of both worlds, protection against personal liability and operational flexibility. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. Most popular service is Bizee, renowned for its free service. For just $0 plus state fees, clients can enjoy preparing and filing the articles of organization with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards, but also provides excellent value for money. With Bizee, customers can rest assured that their easy, fast, and effective service, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence.